Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Moriches Inlet, New York to Montauk Point, New York, now 20 nautical miles. South Shore base from Jones Inlet through Shinnecock Bay, Peconic and Gardiner's Bays, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:28 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms, producing strong winds over 35 knots from 3 nautical miles east of Hayrod Point to 4 nautical miles west of Shinnecock Inlet, moving east at 30 knots. The thunderstorms will be near Shinnecock Inlet around 5:40 p.m., Shinnecock Bay around 5:45 p.m., Great Peconic Bay around 5:55 p.m., Little Peconic Bay around 6 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Sunday evening for southern Connecticut and northeast New Jersey and southeast New York. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following marine locations: Long Island South Shore base from Jones Inlet to Shinnecock Bay, New York, Peconic and Gardiner's Bays, New York, and Moriches Inlet, New York to Montauk Point, New York, out 20 nautical miles.